Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the electronic toll lanes on the highway. We are on Highway 2000, the north-south leg, and we are at the Caymanos Toll Plaza. So basically, the three lanes that you see with the arrow, those are where you go to an attendant. And then the fourth lane where you have e-pass is where you use the electronic toll. Basically, you have a device on your car and you put money on it where that white car is going, all the way to the right. You put money on it and it deducts it as you go through the toll. So I have a question for you guys, and specifically to those that live outside of Jamaica. Do you have to pay to get that device? Because at this toll plaza you have to pay 6,400 Jamaican dollars to get the electronic toll device. It's not free. You have to pay to get it, and 6,400 is about 40 US. So I'm curious to know how it works in other countries. Do they give you the device for free? And how does it work? Because at this plaza, and this highway I should say, now this highway is controlled by, the toll part is controlled by the Jamaica North-South Highway, because this highway was built by China Harbour Engineering Company. So it's a bit different for the other highway, which is also Highway 2000, but the east-west leg. That toll goes through Trans-Jamaica Highway, and I'm not sure if you have to pay to get that device. And it's not even this highway now. You pay 6,400 and then you have to top up the device. So it's not to say, okay, you get 6,000, you pay 6,400 for the device, and then you get back credit for the device through money you can use at the toll. It's not like that. You have to buy the device, spend the money, and then put on the amount you're going to use at the toll plaza. So I kind of think that is very unfair. What do you guys think? Now, when you use the electronic device, let's say you buy it and you put the credit on your device, you pay 5% less in toll. So basically, we are a class 2 vehicle, and to drive the entire length of this highway in one, from say Kingston to Ocho Rios, you get a 5% discount. So that is $180 discount you get for using the electronic lane. Now, you would have to travel 180 times 10 is 1,800, times 20 is 3,600. You'd have to travel a highway 40 times to make back the money you spent on the device. I think that's very unfair. As a matter of fact, I don't think they should even charge for the device. Now, if memory serves me correct, at one point you never had to pay for the toll device on the east-west leg of Highway 2000, which is the Trans-Jamaica Highway. That's the company that you pay the toll to, Trans-Jamaica Highway. I'm not sure how it is now, but I'm almost sure you never had to pay for the device at one time. So if anybody knows, if you use that highway, well, when we got our device, we never had to pay for it. I don't think so, at least. No, I don't think you pay for the device at the time. So I'm not sure how it is now. So if anybody knows, if you go to get a toll device now on the east-west leg of Highway 2000, which is from Kingston to Maypen at this time, but that road is going to go all the way to Montego Bay, do you have to pay for the device now? And we'll check it out the next time we go through. But I know on the north-south highway, which is the one we're on now, we just went through the Caymanas toll plaza, you have to pay. And you have to pay 6,400 or 40 US, which is just a lot. And all you get in return is a 5% discount on the toll. Now the east-west leg, when we got it free, when you don't get any discount on the toll. So, but 6,400 just seems like too much. Even if they were charging 1,500 or 2,000 and then give the same 5% discount on the toll use to pay it back. Or I think the best option would be give the persons for free, but say the first time when you get the device you have to top up with 6,400, and then you would keep making the money off the toll. Don't take away the 5% discount and just say top up with 6,000 and you get the device free. Because really and truly, it's going towards an electronic world. I mean, these toll plazas don't even have a means by which you can pay via debit card. So I think the toll authority should seriously look into this thing about paying for the device. I mean, the toll authority of Jamaica has total control over these companies, or so they say. Because for these companies to raise the toll, they have to apply. It's not as, and the toll authority monitors these companies. They monitor the highway to make sure certain criteria are met. So, what do you think, Scott? What do you think, guys? We're very interested in knowing how it works in other countries. Do you have to pay for the device? Those kind of things. Alright, guys. So we are on Highway 2000, north-south leg, and we are heading from Kingston to Ocho Rios. We're driving on that leg.